Hi. Can you tell time? I hope so. This activity is called On Time. And more than telling time, you are going to solve some problems involving elapsed time, or how much time has gone by. So you're going to have like a train leaving a station, some clues as to what time it arrives in different stops, and we want to include AM and PM. Okay, so this isn't like how much time has elapsed. It's what time it actually is on the clock when it arrives. So this is train 24. It leaves Acton at 9:26, and it makes 4 stops. So that's important to know that it leaves at 9:26. So the train arrives in Egerton at midnight. Oh, well, that just gives us an answer. Egerton is down here, arrival time. So midnight, as you might know. Now, a lot of kids get this wrong. Is midnight AM or PM? I'll tell you, it's AM. Once it strikes midnight, then it's the morning time technically. Even though it's 1 or 2 a.m. seems late at night, it's technically morning. And then 12 p.m. is actually noon. So Egerton, 12 a.m., midnight. The train arrives in Carvel 1 hour and 55 minutes after it leaves Acton. So it leaves Acton, and it arrives in Carvel an hour and 55 minutes later. So we kind of skip Dunster. Now, can we figure this out an hour and 55 minutes after 9:26? To me, what I would do is I would see an hour and 55 minutes and say that's really, really close to 2 hours, right? It's 5 minutes short of 2 hours. So if we add 2 hours onto our time of 9:26, 2 hours later would be 11:26, and then just come back 5 minutes because it's 5 minutes short of that. So 11:26 minus those 5 minutes, that would leave us at 11. Did you figure it out? 21. And since that is before midnight, it's still the night time. This is going to be PM, right? Okay, we got that. The travel time from Dunster to Carvel is an hour, 1 1/4 hours. So a quarter of an hour, that'd be a quarter of 60 minutes. So that'd be an hour and 15 minutes. Okay. The travel time from Dunster to Carvel. So if it took an hour and 15 minutes to go from Dunster to Carvel, I should take an hour and 15 minutes off of the Carvel time to tell us when we left Dunster. So hour and 15 minutes off of, so if I take 15 minutes off of 21, that would be 6. And then an hour off of 11 would be 10. So that means we're leaving at 10:06. And that's PM still. And the travel time from Carvel to Bay City is 2.5 hours. So Carvel right here to Bay City. We're skipping Egerton, going to Bay City is 2.5 hours. So that means 2 hours and 30 minutes. So if I add 2 hours and 30 minutes to this, if I add 30 minutes to 21, that would give me 51, right? And if I add 2 hours to 11, well, 1 hour would be 12, and moving still into the AM, 1 hour after that, I'd get to 1:51. And now we are all the way into the early morning hours. So those are my answers for that one. Again, so if it gives you fractions of hours, you're going to want to think about them in minutes. So make that conversion. And make sure, see, like this one, it didn't go in order. It didn't go Dunster to Carvel to Egerton to Bay City. It kind of jumped around. So make sure you're paying close attention to those destinations. But that's it. Good luck.